Hey y'all, it's Meg, and today I'm going to be manifesting a little bit of fall spirit. I have a little bit of extra time before work today, and it has been a little bit cooler the past few days, like in the high 60s, and at night it has been like in the high 50s, which has felt so good and is so exciting because it's been very warm for a while. And yeah, so today I'm going to be tidying up my apartment. I'm going to be doing a little fall haul. I'm going to light a candle. I'm going to get a coffee all before work and just kind of, start embracing and getting ready for the new season. Oh my gosh, my apartment feels so much better. I'm not quite done yet, but I had a very set amount of time to tidy and clean, and I feel like for the time amount that I had, I did a pretty darn good job. But I wanted to share with you guys a few fall things that I have picked up. I've been to Michael's, Home Goods, the Dollar Tree, a little local thrift store, and I'm not planning to buy very much fall decor this year. I realize I say that every single year, but I really don't want to buy a lot. And I just snagged a couple of cute things, but I want to share them with you in case you're looking for them or you kind of like have a similar style to me. So let's get into it. Okay, first up, I'm going to share Home Goods. I went there yesterday or the day before, I believe, and snagged a couple of cute things. Yeah, I found this little tufted circle pillow. It was by the aisle. It's a really pretty burnt orange. They also had a really good mustard yellow and an emerald green. I almost got the emerald green for Christmas as well, but I just love this color so much for fall. I think this is so, so cute. And it was $16.99. So, I mean, not like the cheapest thing, but it's adorable. So I like it. I also snagged this pumpkin spice pillow. I'm not usually into the super hyper cutesy things, but this is adorable. There's a chance I will resell it if I don't like how it looks. But it's just really freaking adorable. It's by the Novogratz and it was $14.99 at Home Goods. I mean, does it get more fall than this? Even though I'm not a huge pumpkin spice person, like I have one ceremonial pumpkin spice latte to kick off the season, and then I usually drink something else, but I mean, come on, it's just too cute. All right, from Home Goods as well, I got this little pumpkin garland. I have a white and wood beaded garland that I usually use for fall, and I also mix that into my Halloween decor, but I wanted to pair it with something because I'm thinking about putting it on the shelf or on my TV stand. And I got these cute little pumpkins. For a second, I considered DIYing one because they had a really cute little pie one at Michael's with the felt shapes, but there were some of the shapes that I wasn't too crazy about. It just wasn't quite perfect, and if I'm kind of like hemming and hawing about it in the store, that probably means it's something I'm not going to keep for as long as I think I'm going to keep it based on my own history. But I got this little guy because I think he's ultra fall and will look cute with the beaded garland. So this was $14.99. The last two things I brought at Home Goods are not fall related, but I did snag some really pretty thick gray and white stripe wrapping paper for an upcoming birthday. And then I got this as a potential gift. Look at this birdhouse. It has like some serious Rifle Paper Company vibes, if you're familiar with that brand. It was $12.99, but how adorable would this be in a little garden? A cute little birdhouse. It has the chain. So I'm thinking this is gonna make a good gift for someone come the holiday season, and I'll just have it like in my back pocket. Okay, now let's go to Michael's. So first thing I got from Michael's, actually two things I got from Michael's are in the background of this video. Pumpkin spice candle, I bought two of them. They were on sale for 2 for $10. It's just the pumpkin pie scent. They had some of their other fall scents out, but I didn't like any of them as much as I liked this one, so I just bought two. At some point, they'll both get burned, so now I just have a backup. And then I also bought those fall leaves for my little cane vase situation. I did also buy this cloche from Michael's. Yeah, it was $15, but I believe it was on sale already for like the 40% off, or I used a coupon, I can't remember. But I really like the size. I saw this DIY of like doing a dried flower sculpture in these with like the colorful dried florals that are really popular now. I thought it would be a cool thing that could be like a seasonal change out. In the winter, it'd be really easy to put Christmas tree stuff in here, like kind of snow globe style, or fill it with ornaments. And yeah, so this could be like a changing seasonal decor piece, and I really liked the height, so I could really kind of make it a little statement on a shelf. Not fall related from Michael's, but again, sharing just in case. They had all their summer stuff on like 80% off, so I snagged this little like rainbow shelf piece. It was $10 originally, but it was like 80% off, so it was only a couple bucks. I like the colors. I think it's pretty cute, and it'll look nice on a shelf, especially come the spring and summertime. I did go by the Dollar Tree, and my local Dollar Tree did not have their full fall and Halloween lines out yet. And what I saw, it's pretty country. I feel like it's a lot of the red trucks and the scarecrow people and the raffia, and that's not always my aesthetic. But I did grab two things. I got these little Halloween picks. There's the little jack-o'-lanterns and the little bats. I thought they're cupcake picks, and it comes with a lot. There's 20 in each packet. I thought they'd be cute for cocktails, baked goods, whatever. Just the little jack-o'-lanterns really sold me. So cute. And then lastly, I'm gonna share two quick thrift store finds. I went on a little impromptu dash into a local thrift shop that I hadn't been in before. They had stuff sitting outside, and I was telling my boyfriend, I was like, that's how you always get me. If there's stuff sitting outside, I'm like, ooh, what is that? I should go look at it. I'm gonna share a picture. They have this picture, I'm gonna put it right here. They had this picture of a unicorn painting art piece, but the unicorn had googly eyes on it, and it was $3. It's not like it was in a bin of like art pieces or frames or something. They hung it on the wall. So either they have a great sense of humor, or God, I hope they have a great sense of humor. Anyways, I found this really cute little like wicker rattan bell situation. It's only like half. I kind of wish it was the whole thing, but I saw this and I was like, this would be adorable for Christmas with like a pom-pom or a tassel or something made out of yarn. So I got this for Christmas. I don't really see it as being a fall piece, but it'll definitely pop up in my Christmas store. It was $2 and it's pretty cute, right? I don't know. It just spoke to me. And the last thing I got from the thrift store is this really cute little vase. The flowers are fake, and actually I can probably just pop them out right now. god, in the bag. I just vacuumed, of course, so now I'm gonna get styrofoam all over. But the styrofoam piece is still in there. But look how cute this is. And the center, the hole is like off center. I thought it was like kind of modern and cool looking. It's like a warm gray tone. It would look cute in fall. Like, I think I might have to do some faux florals with this. I don't know how well it would do with real flowers because it's so short. But I just thought it was like the asymmetry was really cool. The texture is really cool. I like the color, and it was $2.50. But I really did want to start getting into the mood because it's coming. Fall is coming, and I cannot wait for a break from the heat, and it's just one of my favorite seasons. So definitely coming up soon is going to be some fall wardrobe inspiration. I've been buying some key pieces to do like a capsule wardrobe for fall. I'm definitely going to be doing a fall home tour. So if you like that kind of content, which you probably do, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'm also going to be doing some cool, fun fall and Halloween stuff around New England. So if you're a New England fanatic like I am, definitely stick around. And if you want, you can follow me over on Instagram at MegIsPrettyCool. And that's more day in the life, behind the scenes fun stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.